going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you'll be changing out your windshield wipers on a 2012 to about the 2019 Ford Fusion. This is a hybrid, but it's probably the same for multiple different ones. Basically, you'll pick your windshield wipers up like that, and if you look right here, you'll see like little rivets pretty much that tells you where you basically, it's pretty simple. You just squeeze right there. Once you squeeze it, squeeze this, pull it out like that, squeeze it, pull it out, and then it just pops off just like that. You can see that hole when you're putting it back on. Take that, put it over top of that hook, just like that, all the way back in. Then you can kind of squeeze in the bottom and pop it back in like that, and pretty much you should be good. Alright folks, once again, so you would change out your windshield wipers on a Ford Fusion. This happens to be about 2018, but it's probably the same from about the 2012 to the 2019. Alright folks, please check out our other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.